Hello and welcome back to Natural State Inversion. My name's Ross and I need to shave. Today's we're going to have a little bit of a quick one. I got to go out there and mow the yard here in a minute. We are going to take a look down here at the playmat, and I have picked up a few new cards to add to the collection, and I just wanted to kind of go through them here. Hope everyone's doing good on this Thursday. First one is Goro. I think he is a little bit underrated, in my opinion. If y'all aren't familiar with him, he gives every one of your creatures haste just for 1 red mana. And you can do that at instant speed, which, it is what it is. 2 red and 3. You can create a 5/5 red dragon spirit creature token with flying. Only if you control an attacking modified creature, which is easy to do. Picked up 5 of those bad boys. Full art foil. Next card that we got is Sephara Sky's Blade. And you may pay 1 white and tap 4 untapped creatures you control with flying rather than pay this spell's mana cost. Flying and lifelink. Other creatures you control with flying have indestructible. Right? Shoe in for my angel deck. Another couple angels that I picked up were Magister of Worth. Got 2 copies of those. Flying, Will of the Council. When Magister of Worth enters the battlefield, starting with you, each player votes for Grace or Condemnation. If Grace gets more votes, each player returns each creature card from his or her graveyard to the battlefield. If Condemnation gets more votes, or vote is tied, destroy all creatures other than Magister of Worth. Pretty cool for Commander, I thought. Some shenanigans. Next to last card that we're going to take a look at is Lisa, Forgotten Archangel, Flying Lifelink. Whenever another non-token creature you control dies, return that card to its owner's hand at the beginning of the next end step. If a creature an opponent controls would die, exile it instead. You know, that last ability is pretty powerful. To add to my Jingataxius, Progress Tyrant, Tezzeret, Betrayer of the Flesh. I'm going to add that to our little mail day envelope here. And maybe we can make a deck here one day soon. So we'll see you later. Man, I'm just sitting down back here in the backyard and taking a break. Man, today is just beautiful. And I was thinking to myself, what is life but to enjoy things? And what is to enjoy but to input joy into what you're doing? So, we got some Modern Horizons here. Wind's blowing pretty good. Alright, let's see what rare we got. That was an artifact token. Oh, that was a creature. Oh, we got Caprichrome. Ooh, Patriarch's Bidding. Nice. Looks like we got some shiny Revolutionist. Let's see. What's our foil? Kaleidoscorch. Well, you saw it here, guys. Man, what a pack opening. And man, I'm glad to be done mowing the yard. And we're going to sit here and try to pick up the pieces of this pack opening. And how this just symbolizes so much in my life. For time's sake, I'm going to speed this up for you. It's only going to be just a few seconds, and we'll see what exactly we got. Alright guys, so it looks like we got a Nested Shambler, Revolutionist, a Capricorn, brake ties, Chatterstorm in the old frame, Faithless Salvaging, I believe is the name of the other comment here. Can't really read it. Dragon Rage Chandler, hey, you gotta love those cards. Graceful Restoration for an uncommon. Patriarch's bidding for a rare, and Esmora Nomar de Cartas Tinical de Car for the trashed, super trashed rare. And Flourishing Strike, Treasure Token, Shiny, Glimmering Baron, Kaleidoscorch actually kind of still looks cool. So, guys, thanks for watching. And remember, the more positive things you say, the more positive things you'll hear. Bye.